Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a BMW 3 Series automatic. First, always prioritize safety by finding a controlled, private environment like a track. Never attempt this on public roads. Ensure your car is in top mechanical shape, especially tires and brakes. Before starting, fully disable traction control and dynamic stability control systems to allow the wheels to spin freely. This preparation is crucial for a safe and effective learning experience. To initiate a drift, approach a corner and apply firm brake pressure to transfer weight to the front. As you turn the steering wheel sharply into the corner, immediately apply full throttle. This will break traction in the rear wheels. Once the car begins to slide, smoothly countersteer in the opposite direction of the slide to maintain your drift angle. Consistent throttle input is key to sustaining the slide. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And on another note, after all that intense drifting, you'll definitely need to refuel. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Consistent practice is essential for refining your drifting skills. Focus on precise throttle modulation to control both the speed and angle of your drift. Work on smooth transitions, moving seamlessly from initiating the slide to sustaining it through the corner. Pay close attention to the car's feedback, learning to feel its weight transfer, and responding instinctively with steering and throttle inputs. Patience and repetition will lead to mastery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.